Hello traders, welcome. Thanks for being here. This is Jared with the Trading Empire. We are looking at the projected moves coming in for the upcoming week of July 4th through July 8th, 2016. First off, we want to review CFTC Rule 4.41, and that explains to us that in trading the forex market there is large potential reward, but it also cautions us to the large potential risk. Most importantly, do not invest money that you cannot afford to lose. So with that being said, let's take a look at the upcoming pairs. We've got the first pair on our list is the Euro-US dollar, and for the euro, going back to the high on this chart, we can see this is just at the start of when price started to move short based on the results of the vote in the UK on the Brexit. So we can see that price dropped about 500 pips, pulled back about half of those pips just within the last couple hours thereafter, and for the last week, it pretty much moved up about 200 pips. It didn't stay. It stayed in a really tight, consolidation pattern here for most of the week. It didn't really give us much to work with, but what we're looking at here, is they're just pretty much gathering contracts. They're waiting for people to put their money in to see where they're going to move it. But we are expecting, based on what we're seeing here, we're going to be looking at the Euro-US dollar to move short. So look for price to come out in consolidation, stop hunt, push to the top side, perhaps giving us a day of rise before giving us the move short throughout the week. But this pair, we are looking for it to indeed move short. Next pair on the list is the Aussie US dollar. And for the Aussie US dollar, again, high point on the chart was set here. This is with just before the Brexit vote. Price moved short about 350 some pips, pulled back into there right thereafter. And then last week, after a couple of days of drop, we can see the price slowly was on the rise here. We have TDI setting up nicely at the end of this week, looking at a possible move to the short side. My 4-hour chart also gives me indication of a potential head and shoulders pattern, so keep that in mind as you're watching this pair. But we are looking for the Aussie US dollar to move short, so look for price to come out of consolidation, push to the top side, and then going short throughout the week. So we have for the Euro-US dollar a short bias, and for the Aussie-US dollar also a short. And for you international traders who may be unaware, on July 4th, this coming week, we do have a U.S. holiday, a bank holiday here in the States. So just be aware of that, as that will indeed make some of these pairs be a little bit more volatile to begin the week. But that's what we have, short on the Euro and also a short on the Aussie. So thanks for being and listening to the webinar, guys. Have a great weekend, and we'll see everybody in the Tokyo this coming Monday.